Oh, you got to see me working. Didn't even have my shades on. I was like literally, I can't say doing it blind. Oh, by the way, we're rolling. Sharp Customs. Share, like, subscribe. You know the routine. Yes, I'm in my paint suit. You just got to watch me kind of finishing off the Corvette. All in all, you know, for the temperature here in southern Ontario tonight, Saturday night, needed to get this sucker painted. The paint laid down nice. Little, you know, little bit of touch and go at the beginning. Had a little fisheye thing going on, but they seem to cover up. But you know, it's pretty cold. I got the fan running. I gotta let it run for another couple minutes just to clear that room out. All in all, didn't lay down that bad for the cold temperature. I had different variations of combinations of chemicals that I could use. I could go slow, I could go fast, I could go medium. I always picked the medium. Fast was just way too fast. You know, we're probably sitting at around, I'm going to say around 50 degrees, which is a little chilly for painting. But the paint laid down nice, other than, like, you know, let's face it, this is not a spray booth. This is my dirty old garage. We do a lot of cutting, grinding, welding, you know, we do all kinds of vehicle repair, let's just say. The fish eyes, that's a contaminant. I spent the majority of today, believe it or not, prepping the Corvette. Okay, that thing got washed. I think got washed, wiped, tacked like 3 times. You know, the garage got blown out. You know, you put the heat in the garage, and then you suck it all out with the exhaust fan while you're doing your prep and your clean. And it's like, okay, you shut everything down, put the heat back on, you know, you crank up the furnace, and then it's like, you know, 20 minutes later, you go in, you do a little inspection, you kind of rub it with your hand, see if there's any dirt on it. You know, you feel anything, because let's face it, the fan is hooked to the building. The whole building shakes when the fan is running. You know, like I said, dirty old garage. It's like, what can I say? You know, here at Sharp Customs, why do we do it? Well, shit, because we can. You know, we don't get the perfect paint jobs, but we get pretty decent paint jobs. You know, maybe we'll do another video tomorrow and we'll show you what it looks like. I'm sure the camera girl was getting some, you know, like I said, it's not perfect. There's some dust bunnies in it, but overall, for the temperature and the time of the year, I kind of think it turned out fairly nice for what I started with, you know. Now, I could throw another coat on it. That's 3. That's 3 heavy coats. Probably going to leave it at that. Starting to get a little bit late. Still got the fan running. Let me have a look. Looks pretty cleared out. Shut the fan. I'll give it about another 10 or 15 minutes flash, and then I'll pump the heat to her. And see, that's where the problem resides. As soon as I fire up the furnace to put the heat back into the building, I gotta make sure the floor stays wet. We're only heating this side of the the tent or spray booth. So the heat's got to kind of transfer over there and help, you know, help the paint flash and whatnot. But there you go. Saturday night, you got to see me spraying the vet. You got to hear me ramble on a little bit about it. And we're going to keep this one short tonight. I got the Corvette painted. Might have to pretty it up tomorrow or when the paint is dry. But, oh, I wanted to just give a shout out to all our new subscribers. Thank you very much. We've had, you know, dozen or so new subscribers, and to our regular subscribers, you know, keep tuning in. Thank you very much. Sharp Customs, that's our video for tonight. I'm gonna crack a beer and light a dart. Peace. I'm out.